Hennings.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Right.
David Blaine.
David Blaine, Siegfried and Roy, and all kinds of illusionists. And that's not magic of the ancient world. Magic of the ancient world is a spiritual, scientific aspect of manipulating the laws of the universe and the elemental spirits around you. See what I'm saying? It is the highest form of science. From the physical to the metaphysical. You see what I'm saying? Not tricks. So you've been taught, number one, that magic has something to do with tricks, illusions. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
It has nothing to do with science. You see what I'm saying?
Can I ask you a point?
Yeah.
So, at this point, once you discovered that this was the direction that you needed to go, I mean, what then made you say, okay, well, let me go out here and do it? And were you actually doubtful about how this type of thing would be received, because it wasn't, starting to get dark? I don't think you imagined that it would be.
Well, first of
well.
all, I never really looked at it as something that I needed to give to the people and was interested in what they was receiving. This is, first of all, imperative for my own personal will to know, my need to know, my desire to know. You see what I'm saying? And I never went about this thing as what type of discipline that I'm going to dabble into that's going to be the correct thing to teach the people. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
It has nothing to do, or it had anything to do with some type of performance, some type of acceptance. You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
It was the need to know, and it was going along the path and not hindering myself on the path of enlightenment, and being honest enough to turn over all stones and not be content with the first thing that I felt that was comfortable enough to call it the ultimate knowledge. And one of the motivating factors was, if I woke up the next morning and I was still here and my condition was the same, I would always have work to do until I would receive the proper results or the proper understanding, you see what I'm saying, of what was needed to be done. Get it?
Yeah.
So the criteria was not anything outside of my own personal search. And to the public, I would have to just report my research and my findings. You see what I'm saying?
I see.
I